say more about what happens in an encounter that creates that cleaning out and ability to connect so deeply?
The encounter is created by certain conditions, and I would like to describe those conditions because then we can understand the result. The conditions are that when two people sit together, one person decides that they're going to be the host. And the host is a person who says, I'm inviting you to cross the bridge and come to me. There is a part of my world, a neighborhood in my world that I would like to share with you. Come and be with me, the host. The visitor is the person who accepts the invitation and decides that for that time, they are actually going to leave their world completely and cross the bridge in the present to arrive and be present in the present with their partner. Now, when that gets done, two people are together, walking hand in hand in the world of the other. When you walk hand in hand in one place together in the present, something magical happens. The magic of it is that your essence, wired in connection, begins to reveal itself. Each person lands in their essence, and in their essence, all of their human qualities are revealed, and the encounter is that moment when both people feel we're really together here. In the present moment, you and I, with all of our human qualities.